No changes to our views here. We think you want to buy the dip on lows. It's going to have an idiosyncratic story to grow earnings in the next year. And as you were just talking a minute ago, the cost of retail is going up. And we're going to see a scarcity of retailers who can grow their margins next year. Lowe's absolutely is going to fit in the camp of that, of one who can grow its earnings next year because of all the moves it's making. And we think you want to buy the stock ahead of when we start to see the progress from that.
Okay, let's move on to the others. When you have a neutral on a stock, I guess you can go either way with a target. But were you surprised at margins? Were you surprised at the bottom line miss?
So the market was expecting a comp from Target in the 5.5 to 6 range with stable profitability. What we got was comp that was slightly below that and profitability that was under pressure. To put it in perspective, its sales grew 6% and its profits were down 3%. That's an algorithm that's going to drive some uncertainty. And because of that, the stock's probably going to trade at a discounted valuation. And we don't think that's a stock you necessarily want to chase at this point until we see some evidence that its profitability is stabilizing. So we continue to be neutral on that stock.
So how about Best Buy?
On Best Buy, they're seeing the benefits of not only a good product array of product categories, a healthy demand environment, but also what they're doing. They're the survivor in this category. The question is, as we get into next year, will some of the tailwinds that they've seen from very healthy demand in core products like televisions, mobile phones, are those going to begin to fade? And as a result, they're going to have a harder time growing their same-store sales. And if they can't grow their same-store sales, it's unlikely they're going to maintain their margins around where they are. I think the burden of proof will be on Best Buy to show that they can stabilize their profitability into next year and continue this very strong performance. But I think the market's going to have some skepticism, and the stock's going to remain around its current level.
All right. Well, we're not going to talk about the entire macro environment for retail. We'll just, the consumer, just leave it at that. Maybe at another date we'll do that, Michael. Thanks. Michael Lasser at
Thanks,
UBS.
Joe.